Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Boosted John and this was my Turbo LS VTEC Civic. Something pretty unfortunate happened recently and it happened a few days ago. I've actually tried filming this video, this is my third time filming it now because in all the other takes I just sounded like a crybaby, like a really big sad boy. No one wants to listen to a sad boy talk, so anyway, my motor blew up. My motor's blown. All four pistons are cracked and deteriorating and falling apart. I came out here to change the head gasket because, as you guys saw during my dyno session, I was leaking oil into the cylinders because I installed the head gasket backwards. So I ordered a new head gasket, came out here to install it, and as soon as I pulled the head, I noticed that there was something majorly wrong. This is now the second time in 2 months that this motor has blown up and is going to require a rebuild. Last time I did it the quick way where I left the engine in the car, just pulled the rods and pistons out and replaced the pistons that needed to be replaced. This time I'm not gonna do that. With all four pistons cracking, it kind of makes sense for me to completely disassemble this engine, have it remachined and reassemble it from the ground up. Fortunately, the head's fine, so it's really just the bottom end that's really messed up. Having this happen for the second time in 2 months, it really puts me in a position where I'm just very demoralized and demotivated with this car in general. Having just finished rebuilding this engine, it's like seriously a humongous kick in the nuts for this to happen again, because now I gotta pull it all back apart, I gotta redo all the work I did and some, and I gotta buy 4 brand new pistons. Like, we're looking at realistically probably close to $2,000 worth of work and parts. For the last rebuild, I spent probably collectively about $1,000 bucks. So this is not good. This is putting me in a really bad position financially, and it really sucks because YouTube is my passion. It's my dream job to do, and I know I got to give it all I got to make it into something that I could do full time. But I'm not at that level yet where YouTube can cover something like this, and I cannot really, I can't really afford to do it right now. I do have a ton of awesome stuff coming for the S2000, but this car I can't fix right now. You guys that watch the channel, watch every video and constantly like the videos and support me, you guys have put me in this position where I'm able to reach out to a large audience and ask for help. I've created some merch to help save the Turbo Civic from the car crusher. This is 100% my responsibility, but I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for putting me in a position where I'm able to ask for your help, because I've been absolutely busting my ass at YouTube for like 3-4 years now. It's just really cool to be in a position where I can actually ask for help. Again, totally my responsibility, no pressure whatsoever, but if you want to help out, link to the t-shirts in the description down below. I got t-shirts, a hoodie, and a sticker for sale, all with the same design. It's a little cube of the Civic crushed up into a cube, and it says, "Save me from the car crusher." I did hand draw it. I'm pretty proud of the design. It's probably one of my favorite designs to date, so I'm really pumped on it. I ordered some for myself too, just because I had to have it. It's so funny. And I think that a lot of you guys will probably be able to relate to if you have project cars. Like, everyone has had that moment where they're like, man, I'm about to send you to the car crusher, you know? You know what I mean? Like, I know you guys know what I mean. And again, I just want to say thank you so much to you guys who are here and watch every video and support me and love what I do. And I really am glad that you guys are liking this new format where I talk to you guys like this and tell the story as the video goes on. I'm having so much more fun editing those videos and videos like this. So thank you guys for all the positive comments. Thank you guys for all the support. If you like this video and you want to see this thing back on the road as soon as possible, liking the video is one free way that really helps support me. Subscribing is another one. I'm pretty bummed about this, but I know we'll get through it. I know we'll get past it, and I know this thing is going to be back on the road and bullying some V8s pretty damn well. I don't know about soon, but it'll happen. It'll happen. I know it'll happen. That's all I got. Lastly, as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye. Also, I have a diffuser for the S2000 that's going to be going on pretty soon. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm pumped about it. It's carbon fiber. All right.